Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set price alerts on the Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After that, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to set the price alert, tap on to the notification bell at the top right corner, just like this. Then tap on to the price alerts. Now you can see you have already added the price alert. Now go back. Now tap on to one of the currencies, just like this. Then here you can find the star button at the top. Now simply tap on it. And now you can see the price alert has been enabled. And that's it. This is how you can set up the price alerts on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.